So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your laptop brightness stuck at maximum level. For example, if you try to adjust brightness from the control center, it does not even come to the lowest value even if you try to take a set it to lowest value. Now in order to fix that, simply right click on this busy option and click on this option of show more option. Again click on this option of manage right there. Now here in the manage manager, simply click on this option of device manager. Here you'll see this option of display adapters right there. Click over there and here you'll find one or two display adapters. Simply select each of them and click for hardware changes. Again select another, click for hardware changes, scan for hardware changes options right there on the top of the menu. And if it does not solve your issue, simply right click on the display adapter for both of them and hit uninstall. Now once you click that, your display will flicker for 2 to 3 times and that's definitely gonna fix your issue. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.